Hey everyone, I'm Himal, a professional WordPress website designer and developer. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to add WordPress chat button in WordPress website. To do that, you just have to log in your WordPress dashboard, then hover on plugin and click on add new plugin. I already opened this in a new tab. After opening this add new plugin option, you just have to search here by WP Chat app. I already have installed this plugin by WP Ninja. You just have to install and active this plugin. After active, you'll find an option like WhatsApp with their icon. Then click on here and click on add new account. And at the very first field, you have to write down the name of this account. I am writing my name. Then type here the number with country code. Then click on publish. Alright. Now click on floating widget. Here, just search the name you see before. It's already came here. Now click on here. Okay, it's all done. Now you just have to open this website in new tab. As you can see, it's working fine. Let's click here and check. If you click here, this will open a new tab and it will redirect to you in dedicated WhatsApp account. If you think this video is helpful for you, like this video and comment below if you have any problem.